Hi artists! Today we're going to do a step-by-step drawing of a spooky owl. I'm really in the mood for Halloween, and these sorts of images and drawing prompts are really fun to learn so that you can draw some spooky stuff. So here is our owl. You need a pencil and the first clean page of your sketchbook, and you're going to start from the top to do the owl's head, which is an upside down U. So you're just going to pencil that in, and I'm going to move over to my Sharpie so that you can see the line that I'm drawing. And then from there, you're going to draw a bumpy side on one of the sides of the owl. So it's sort of like the outline of the wings, and you're going to go like that. And then you'll add the same thing to the other side where we have those wings, and then you'll connect the bottom. So from here, we add ears, and our owl has a tail, so that's a bumpy bottom. That's sort of like a fan shape. So you do two lines out from the bottom of the owl, and that's his tail, his or her tail, and we did the ears. So what else do we need? We need eyes. So we can use a shape to draw the eyes. You can trace, or you can freehand, just two circles. And then a diamond shape for the nose or the beak. And on the inside, I like to draw, if you want, an extra challenge of like Pac-Man eyes. So those are fun to fill in, and you can make those glowing. And then we're going to add some feet because he is going to actually sit on a branch. Okay, so down at the bottom, you add some triangular or oval shaped feet, and this can go right over your original lines, and he's got some claws. And then we're going to make a branch coming out this way. He's sitting on a branch. And this is the tree. And you can add some details to that tree, whatever you like. So now I'm going to add some details to the body, just some lines to create a differentiation between the body and the feathers and his wings. And then I'm all set with my line drawing, and this is finished and ready for some color. So you'll see my work sped up and how I colored this guy in. Maybe your owl is a female, maybe your owl is pink, maybe your owl is purple, maybe your owl glows in the dark. I would love to see all the different designs that you make. Give this a shot, speed it up or slow it down, press pause, take your time, and have fun with it. Great job, artists.